everybody, it's the Perry brothers back. Anyway, they're going to be doing a documentary on the lovely bird, the kestrel, today. The kestrel, as you know, is a lovely...
Blueton.
A documentary on the blue tit, okay? Fine.
Thank you, Ellie. As I'm sure most of you bird lovers out there will know, I'm Lloyd.
And I'm Reese.
Together we are the Perry brothers. So this week, as I'm sure you know, we will be talking about the blue tit. It's very common bird in the UK and most of Europe actually. It's a small bird, a lot smaller than the average hen, probably about half the size. Very, very cute and adorable. It's blue. It has a yellow underbelly. Ellie has help. It has a yellow underbelly. You'll notice it if you see it in the garden. It does actually like it when you feed it seeds. In those little seed feeders. What are your views on it, Reese?
Actually, the blue tits are one of my favourite birds. See it quite a lot in my garden, personally. I mean, I have my food. I have my food for it, actually.
Yeah, we have our food for it in our garden. I think that's all this week for the blue tit. Come back next week for more on the blue tit and the green finch.